Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing how to achieve the perfect spring twist hair on a wig cap, on a dome wig cap, okay, using a sew down method. So for this process you will need needle and thread. So the first option I'm going to be showing is using a pre-made spring twist hair. So to do this, you want to take your needle and pass it through the black cap. Next, take the pre-made spring twist hair, all right, and open up the loop. You just carefully open up the loop just like this. So now pass the needle through the loop. Once the needle is through, pull the thread through the loop. So now take the needle and pass it through the black cap, just like this, and pull it through the spring twist in place towards the black cap, just like this. So to ensure that this is properly secured in place, you want to pass the needle through the loop about 2 to 3 times. Then next, tie a knot to secure the hair in place. So So once the hair is properly secured in place, take your scissors and cut off the excess thread. So I'm going to be showing you guys this option again. So you want to start by passing the needle through the black cap, just like this. So next, take the pre-made spring twist hair and open up the loop. Then pass the needle through the loop just like this and pull the thread through. While holding in the place, take the needle and pass it through the black cap just like this. Pull to secure the hair to the black cap. So now you want to do this about 3 to 4 times, depending on how secure and long lasting you want this wig to be. Don't forget you have to tie a knot to secure the thread in place. So once you're done passing the needle through the loop and the black cap about 2 to 3 times, before cutting the thread, you need to ensure to do a double knot, do a double knot first before going ahead to cut off the thread to ensure that the thread will be properly secured in place. So this is the first option right here using the pre-made spring twist hair. Now for the second option, that is using Afro Kinky braiding hair. So we're going to be making the spring twist hair from scratch, okay? So to start, you want to take one strand of the Afro Kinky braiding hair, fold it over and ensure that the lengths are even at the bottom. Now pass the needle through the black cap just like I'm doing in this video. So to secure the hair down, you want to wrap the thread over the hair just like this. Now pass the needle through the black cap and pull it to pull the hair towards the black cap just like this. Again, do not let go of the middle point or the fold over point of the hair. Just pull it towards the black cap just like this. Take the other half, put it out of the way so that way you can see what you are doing. So now you need to do this about 3 to 4 times, again, depending on how secure you want this to be. So before you cut the thread, you want to make sure that you tie a knot. Okay, you need to tie a knot about 2 to 3 times to ensure that the hair will come undone. Okay, you want to make sure that it is properly secured in place before going ahead to cut off the excess thread. Okay, so once the hair is secured in place, take your scissors and cut off the excess thread. Okay, so now we're going to be twisting the hair. So to achieve the beautiful soft spring twist hair, you need to ease the tension when twisting the hair. Okay, now to start, you want to twist the roots of the hair, twist and cross it over. Okay, twist and cross it over, making sure to ease the tension. You don't want to twist it too tight. If it's too tight, you're not gonna get that soft, springy twist. Instead, you're just gonna get the regular two strands twist. So you just want to twist and cross the hair over, twist and cross it over, easing the tension as you twist along. Okay. So getting to the tip of the hair, if you want that coily look at the tip of the hair, you need to reduce the tension even more, like ease the tension even more. Just lightly twist and wrap, lightly twist and cross the hair over once you get to the tip of the hair. So next, do a finger coil, like finger coil the ends of the hair to lock the coil pattern in place. So then after that, trim off the end and all right, I hope that is clear, but I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. So doing the same thing, take the Afro kinky braiding hair, fold it over to ensure that the lengths are even on the bottom. So while holding on to the folded points, take your needle and pass it through the black dome cap. Okay. Now pull it through. A minute. Pull it through and wrap the thread around the middle part of the folded point. Okay, now pass the needle through the black cap again. Now pull to pull the hair towards the cap. As you can see, I'm still holding on to the middle, to the fold over point. Do not let go. You want that to be in place. So once you pull it towards the black cap, you need to do the process again by passing the needle through the black cap and the hair in order to secure it in place. So you can do this about 3 to 4 times, properly secured it in place. You want to make sure that the hair doesn't slide left or right. Okay. We want it to stay put. Okay, so once the hair is secured in place, you want to go ahead and tie a knot to secure the thread in place. Okay, now you need to pass the needle through the black cap again to tie a knot to secure the thread in place to ensure that the hair properly secured to the black cap. So once you're done tying the knots, you can go ahead and take your scissors and cut off the excess thread. Okay, so doing the same thing. So first you start by twisting the roots of the hair. Okay, twist and then cross the hair over lightly. Just twist the root and then cross it over, twist and cross it over. You want to make sure to ease the tension when twisting the hair in order to get the beautiful, soft, springy twist. So if you twist the hair tight, you will just get the regular two strand twist. So again, doing the same thing, once you get to the tip of the hair, you want to ease the tension even more to get that soft coily look at the tip of the hair. Next, trim off any excess that you don't want at the tip of the hair and just go back in and finger coil the hair to seal the ends in place and also just lock in that coily texture at the end. So yeah, this is it. This is how you achieve a beautiful spring twist on a black dome cap. So now you can just go ahead and do the twist on your lace closure and you are good to go. So we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and I'll see you all in my next video.